Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So very recently I had posted an Instagram story about menstrual cups and you all had so many questions about it. So in today's video I'm here to answer all your burning questions about menstrual cups. So what I've done today is I have kind of broken all the questions into different topics altogether, and I will try to answer everything that you have asked me. And if you still have any questions, you can leave the comments below. And before I get into the video, I just want to give a disclaimer that I'm not trying to force or pressurize anyone to use menstrual cups. I am someone who has been using it from the past 5 to 6 months, and I'm just going to share my experience with you, and I'm going to give you my part of knowledge to all of you. So let's get into the video. So menstrual cups are like vessels which collect your menstrual blood for up to 12 hours for a leak-proof wear. It works using the technique of suction by creating a seal that prevents any sort of leakage or odor. So the menstrual cup that I'm using is by Sanfe, and Sanfe sends the cup in this box container, and once you open the box, then you have a pouch inside and the cup is placed inside the pouch. Sanfe is India's revolutionary feminine hygiene and intimate care brand that empowers women with high quality solutions. Now these cups are made of silicone material, which is like really flexible, if you can see, and they are reusable, they are environmental friendly, they're pocket friendly, and Sanfe sends the cup along with a breathable cotton pouch to ensure regular airflow when stored. How to choose the right size. Now these cups come in 3 different sizes, and it's actually super easy to choose the right size. It's in fact easier than finding the right size of the pant for yourself. All you have to do is take 2 of your fingers, the index and the middle finger, and insert these fingers into your vaginal hole and see how deep it goes to check, and that's how you will get the idea of the size of your cervix. The smallest size is when your fingers are covered 1/3. The medium size is for the women whose almost half of the fingers are covered inside, and then comes the large size where the fingers are completely covered inside the vagina. How to wear and remove it. Now in order to wear it, press one side of the rim into the cup and it will automatically create a shape that's tapered at one end. Now just raise one leg higher, breathe in, and then insert the cup in the direction of your vaginal canal. Rotate it a little bit, and that's exactly when it creates a seal. To remove it, feel the stem and start by gripping the base so that it releases the suction, and then you can pull it out. Does it get lost inside the body? A common question that a lot of people asked me was, what if the cup gets lost in the body? And that's something that's absolutely not possible, because our vaginal hole is only one-sided, open-ended, and it is shut from the other side, so there's no way that it can get lost in the body. You will definitely be able to find it. Also, let me tell you with another fact that a woman's anatomy is made of 3 different holes, and if you put your menstrual cup in the vagina, it is not at all possible. There is no way that it's going to affect the other 2 holes of your body, and you will not even feel that you're wearing a cup. But in any case, if you feel that there is some uneasiness or some tingling sensation, then there is a possibility that you're wearing the cup incorrectly and you might want to reinsert it. What is the right way to maintain it? It is always ideal to disinfect the cup by boiling it in hot water for 5 minutes. Also make sure that you don't let it touch to the surface of the container, because the silicone might burn. Also make sure to wash it every time with a mild shampoo. For how long can you wear in one go? You can wear these cups for almost 12 hours at a stretch. You can wear them while sleeping, while working out, while bathing, and it doesn't matter in whatever position you are, you can just wear it in one stretch for almost 12 hours. I hope I've answered all your questions. If you still have any queries, put them in the comments section. I know it feels a bit odd in the beginning, but once you get used to it, then let me tell you, this is the most easiest thing in the world. Just remember to sanitize it, clean it, maintain your cup super properly, because that's very, very imperative. Another thing that you must look out for is to buy a high quality menstrual cup which is approved by FDA, which is medically approved. So this cup by Sanfe is medical silicone and is approved by FDA and is a very, very high quality silicone that's used to make this cup. So just make sure you're using a good quality cup. So I hope this video was helpful. I will see you very soon. All the links of this product are mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And I will see you very soon. Bye.